Welcome to this tour of room 14434 on deck 14 of Sun Princess. This is an inside room. As we walk in, you will see straight away there are the temperature controls along with light switches for the bathroom. Let's go straight in and take a look at the sleeping area. You will notice that there is a USB and a USB-C charging point. There's an American outlet. There are the three main switches to turn all the lights on or off. You've also got these handy reading lights either side of the bed. And then the bedside cabinet has a little drawer, an open space above and below, and then you've got one of the most comfortable double beds at sea. Incredibly comfortable. And the same the other side. USB, USB-C, US outlet, reading light, and the three light switches. Bedside cabinet again. And as we swing around, some cool artwork. And then you have mirror above the desk. You have the telephone, drawer here, provided chair, trash can, and then let's take a look at more of the outlets. So again, you've got USB and USB-C, you've got two US outlets, you've also got a European, and let me just flip the light on the mirror as well. There you go. So if you're getting ready at night and you need to see to do your makeup or whatever you might need the light for, that's for you. And then two more outlets, one US, one European. You've got some shelving and some glasses, and then down below, hairdryer in this drawer, and then this is your mini fridge. It is not stocked, it is empty, there is no mini bar. And then swinging around, you have TV, and some extra seating. Incidentally, there is plenty of room under the bed for you to store any luggage, baggage, cases, whatever you want to call it. Let's take a look at the closets next. We will start on the left. You have open shelves in the first closet, and then you have three equal sized drawers. All soft closing, and then you have this double closet on the right. Starting with the left hand side, you'll see there are plenty of hangers. You've got all of the laundry information there, and then all the way down it is open shelving. And let's take a look at the right hand side. Again, plenty of hangers, and then you have the included dressing gown with the princess branding. And this is a full-length closet. And then you also have a shelf and an open space underneath, which you can use for shoes, etc. One thing I just forgot to show you is this part on the left, and you have a shelf at the top, and then quite a small safe there. Pretty standard stuff. You put a 4-number pin in to lock and unlock it. And let's take a look at the bathroom. Just before we pop in, there are some coat hooks there, so you need to store jackets, etc. So let's pop on in and take a look at the bathroom. Glass shelves in the corner. There you've got your WC, toilet, whatever you want to call it. Then you've got the sink area. It has Beekman 1802 products. Shelving underneath, that is where the toilet rolls and the bath towels are kept. And then you've got a nice sized mirror, hello to you, and illuminated, which you can turn the lights on and off. And then you have the glass shower. Let's pop in and take a look. You've got a leg bar there in the corner, on and off, and temperature control. A handrail if you need it. You've got the Beekman products, so body wash, conditioner and shampoo. And pretty standard shower head. Not forgetting as well the products in the bathroom as well. Next to the sink you have hand wash, but also you've got body lotion, which can also double up as after sun if you need it. And there we go, that is my room tour of room 14434 on deck 14 of Sun Princess. If you've enjoyed, then do consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you are the first to be notified when new content drops. If you've enjoyed, then do give this video a like, and I will see you on the next upload. There is plenty of Sun Princess content coming up. Bye guys.
Dum, da, da, da.